Today we'll show you how to make passport size photo for your ID card or Zairo card in Japan. So this is the machine I'm going to enter right now. Okay, so I'm going to sit here right now.
いらっしゃいませ。
Start.
入金の前に青い矢印ボタンで赤枠を移動させて写真を
You
選
will make
び、緑の
the
ボタン
stairs close
ください。
so the light will not.
入金の前に青い矢印ボタンで赤枠を移動させて
You can press that one, and this is 1,000 yen. So you can put 1,000 yen here. The machine is taking very fast, the 1,000 yen. So this is new one. They should need the old type 1,000 yen. So I'm going to take the old one. So instead of old 1,000 yen, I have coins. So I will put now the coins. Okay. You can just, there's a coins place also. Now you have to press first. Okay, start now.
撮影料金をお入れください。
So it's ready for payment now. See now 100, 200, 300, 400, 600, 500, 600.
あと20秒です。
It's complete right now.
撮影料金をお入れください。
So now,
必要な証明写真の種類をお選びください。
so now this kind of pictures.
画面の赤枠を
Which one do you need?
操
You
作
can
画面
select.
の青い矢印ボタンで移動。
You guys, if understand Japanese, so the down one is and the left side is for the ID card, and the upper right side is for the my number card. So we were going to select
あと
the
20秒です。
this one to
必
select.
要な証明写真の種類を選び、緑の画
I select.
面に表示されている写真サイズでよろしいですか？
いいですか？
よろしければ撮
So
影
it
準
said
備中で
ready.
す。
Okay.
画
Now,
面の注意事項
so
を
you
お
have
読
to
みくだ
select
さい。
OK and to be ready.
準備がよろしければ
Now it says ready. Now
画
you
面
have
中
to be
央
ready
の
for the button.
赤いベルを押
To
すと
press this button and to press the
3
button.
回で赤
Now
枠を
it's give
合
you
わせ
three options. It's top three
緑のボ
pictures.
タンで決定して
So
く
you
ださ
can
い。
select one which one is the best and looking good. It's going to prepare because I select one of them with this one. It says your photo is ready and you can collect from the outside. So you are going now outside to prepare. It's ready now. So you come right now here.